Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and we needed some tools to help us keep our little chickens nice and clean. And this awesome set from Desunqin has really allowed us to be efficient and effective when we're cleaning our coop. Now, this set is great because it comes with both a scoop and a rake. That is absolutely ideal for us. Primarily, we use this to obviously clean up the coop and clean up the run. It's great to have the scoop and the rake where we can use the rake to really pull it into the scoop and sift through it. But honestly, the rake itself is amazing because sometimes our girls lay eggs in areas that we can't reach underneath their coop. The rake stretches so far that we're able to safely get those eggs in those hard to reach spots. Now, also for the rake, it's great because we're able to move the bedding around. We use a straw bedding and the rake really goes through that bedding nicely, and as well as the scoop. It sifts through it so well, keeping only the waste behind and saving all of that good straw so we can reuse it again. The rake itself is adjustable, but for us, we leave it extended because it fits literally perfectly to the end of our coop. This makes it so convenient when it's time to clean it out and we can reach without having to bend over. This scoop rake combo set has been great for us. Whether we're moving the bedding around or cleaning out the waste in the chicken coop, this is an awesome addition to our chicken accessories. But that's just our point of view.